Morning guys, got a little quick video for you doing a blackboard on a wall, but it's dead easy. What we've got to do, we're going to mark it up first, centre it up. You can see, just do the measuring down the internal wall there, so we're going to go 11 centimetres out there, and then we'll probably go 11 centimetres in from the external corner there, and do it top and bottom, 11, again, same over there, 11, and then what we do, I've done one in the middle as well, 11 again there, and 11 again there. See the height of the door in the kitchen here, 16, that's 41 centimetres. I brought it down 41 centimetres as well, so it's the same. So it's going to be the same height as the door, so it looks in keeping. And then what we're going to use here is some low tack, clean edge tape. And what we'll do is put that on there like that, or on the mark, pencil mark. Give a nice straight line, go down to the first mark, use your finger, and go down on that edge, on the inside edge, because that's going to stop the paint from seeping underneath. Like that. And the tape again, put it on the mark at the bottom, and pressing that leading edge like that. And there you go. Now we'll just double check. 11. 11. We'll put the 11 on there. And according to that, that should be up straight. Yeah, we'll do this again with the tape. On your mark, like that. Come down to the second mark, which is there. And then run my finger down the leading edge. Like that. And then down again. We'll wipe the tape on the leading edge. Along the top, like that. Same again. Along the leading edge. This is one of the most important bits, because this is what you don't want the paint to seep underneath, because it looks, the paint seeping underneath, you don't get a nice clean line. Inside that pencil line like that, leading edge again. Like that. Okay guys, there you go, that's pretty straightforward. So we've got a nice even band both sides, and when I'm painting it, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little bit of tape on top of that upstand there, because when I paint it we don't want any black splashing onto it. I'll go to my van, get the blackboard paint with my little roller and my brush, and we'll get a coat on it. I'm going to do it with the roller so we get a nice even coat. That's what we're going to use. Let's hit it. Just clean up the surface now, make sure it's nice and smooth so you can write on it. And then the paint that's already on there is a durable matte emulsion on there, so it's quite hard wearing. But all I'm going to do is want to be thorough really. Next stage, bit of paint. This is how easy it is to make your own blackboard. Here we go. You're feeling I don't want to put it on the wall, but you must. Get the roller, make sure it's a nice even coat. You can feel it in the roller, whether it starts skidding or it seems to be dragging a little bit. That's how you can tell an even coat. See, like there now, see, I can tell there's more paint in the middle there, just by the feel. Over it a couple of times. Now that feels nice and even. Last go. So I started in the middle with the roller full, and then I worked to the edge, and I worked your way back across. Just basically just spreading the paint out a little bit. Guys, and there you have it, one blackboard painted with a roller. There you go guys, there's an easy way of making a blackboard in 10 minutes, 15 minutes max. You can use it for your shopping lists, things to do, easy little thing for you to do there. And now what we're going to do, we're going to just remove the tape and see what it really looks like without the tape. See, we've got a pretty even coat going on there, because obviously it's matte black when it's dry because it was really shiny. It's only been on 10 or 15 minutes and it's drying pretty even, so that's going to look pretty good. Give it 24 hours and we can start writing our shopping list, our things to do, and you can do this in a kitchen, which is what we've done it in, or you can do it in a playroom or any way you like really. Right then guys, it's Friday fry-up time. All part of the training.